Mackenzie, and I don't know.
Okay, that's all right. You can think about it. Okay.
My name is Brianna. I don't know.
Okay. How about you, sweetie?
My name is Jane.
You know what? Finish your snack first, Jane.
I don't know anything.
Okay. How about you, love? Can you think of something?
I'm Callie, and I like Danny because he's nice too.
Thank you. Hi, Hannah.
I like Jaden because I went down with them with the attendance.
Oh my God.
That's nice. How about your sweetheart?
I like Jaden because he holds the door for us.
Because why?
He holds the door for us.
He holds the door for us? That's very sweet. Thank you.
Mama, can we save this?
Yes. Okay, Michael? What do you think of your friend Jaden?
He's good at blocks.
He's good at blocks. How about you, lovely?
Shayna,
Shayna?
I like him.
Okay. How about you, beautiful?
That he's very nice.
Thank you very much. And you?
Isabella, I like him because he holds the door all the time.
That was a very nice compliment. Thank you.
I like him because he's smart.
He's smart. Thank you.
I can't eat it. I'm eating it by now.
Oh, okay, Kyle. You're up,
because
buddy.
I knew him for a long time.
You have known him for a long time. And how about you, Hunter? Why do you like your brother?
He's very nice.
Why do you love yourself? Honey,
I'm beautiful.
why do you
I love myself because I'm wonderful. And